careful hand reveals a vibrant gemstone amid rich soil. This discovery sparks the joyful adventure of gemstone hunting today. Multiple sparkling gemstones emerge from muddy soil during detailed exploration. Each stone reveals nature's hidden wonders, eternally inviting further discovery. The hunter examines striped stones with focus and careful observation. Rocky soils and buckets frame a systematic journey into nature. A determined explorer crouches beside ancient walls amid rugged terrain. Every movement truly reflects dedication to unearthing nature's concealed treasures. In moist soil, an amber gemstone gleams with renewed promise. Outdoor exploration and scientific curiosity profoundly guide every delicate discovery. Vibrant yellow and pink gemstones burst forth from deep earth. Meticulous precision fuels constant excitement in every careful gemstone extraction. Tools and eager hands reveal radiant pink and orange gems. Careful excavation narrates nature's secret, dazzling symphony with silent wonder. An intense close-up extracts a greenish-blue gem amid ancient earth. Reflective surfaces mirror truly the profound passion of dedicated exploration. A greenish-blue gemstone undergoes delicate cleaning, unveiling purely internal brilliance. Every clear detail tells a story of nature's refined artistry. A gemstone shines brightly after emerging from rich mineral soil. Macro photography reveals texture and luminous clarity with subtle brilliance. Hands hold vibrant blue and green gemstones amidst wet soil. Detailed close-ups celebrate the fusion of nature and remarkable precision. Tools subtly reveals blue and green gemstones in moist earth. A final extraction displays nature's enduring, vibrant wonder beyond measure.
这一块儿，还有一灯，走，这就一块儿。哎呀！哦。哇塞！哇！嗯。哇塞！哇！嗯。哇塞！